Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In today's video, we are simplifying exponents. So the first thing that we need to do is to use this law of exponents that says a over b to the power of minus m is equal to b over a to the power of m. So just flip this fraction and then we change the sign of the negative exponent. Then we are going to have 243 x to the power 18 divided by 125 y to the power 12. That's going to be to the power 2 over 3. We just change this sign here. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to use this law of exponents that says a over b to the power m is equal to a to the power m over b to the power of m. So we're going to do it on that numerator and that denominator. So we're going to have 243 x to the power 18, that's to the power 2 over 3, that's divided by 125 y to the power 12, and that's to the power 2 over 3. Right, now next thing we need to do is to break these numbers here. You realize that 243 is the same thing as 6 to the power of 3. So we are having 6 to the power of 3, x to the power of 18, and that's to the power 2 over 3. That's divided by 5 to the power of 3, y to the power of 12, and that's to the power 2 over 3. Right, next we are going to use this law of exponents that says ab to the power m is equal to a to the power m times b to the power m. So we are going to do it there on the numerator and there on the denominator. So we are going to have 6 to the power of 3, and that's to the power 2 over 3, multiplying x to the power 18, that's to the power 2 over 3, and then down there we have 5 to the power of 3 to the power 2 over 3, y to the power of 12 to the power 2 over 3. And at this stage, we are going to use yet another law of exponents, and it says a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So we're going to do it on these 4 terms. Okay, so on this one, we are going to say 6, then 3 times 2 over 3, just cancel this 3 and that. So we have 6 squared multiplied by x. 3 into 18, that's 6 times 2, that's x to the power of 12. That's divided by, we do the same thing down there. 3 times 2 over 3, this 3 cancels, you've got 5 squared. And then on this one, you have 3 into 12, that's 4 times 2, that's 8. So we have y to the power of 8. And now we can just simplify these numbers here. We are going to have our answer is 36 x to the power 12 divided by 25 y to the power of 8. We've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.